So my story started when I was witnessing some gap between devs and ops, and sitting in between as a quality engineer, and eagerly waiting for opportunity to make some changes. And then the journey started around 1.5 years back, when not only I got incredible opportunity to lead enterprise delivery pipeline, that is EDP, from my channel segment, but also I was able to successfully shift left my own career to DevOps. Now today I will touch base 4 main category or pillar, okay, EDP and value addition, culture and future. So what departmental segment in TD I work for? It's a big organization, right? It's a channel technology. So it's a customer facing, it combines online channel, phone channels, and mobile app, ATM, all those. Now we started deployment automation in lower environment way back, but actual transformation happened when we were able to implement our enterprise pipeline, that is CI/CD, from dev to all the way to prod. And one of the information time, one of the critical part of my role and the whole team was connecting dots. People are having a lot of questions, we need to clarify many things, and collaboration needed, but today I see a very mature, independent, and stable DevOps team. Now, it shows the statistics. If you see today, almost like 30 for potential application, 16 already onboarded, and 5 all the way to prod, but that was not the scenario year back. Now, many things we have done first in TD. So one of them was the role-based access control. So that established the security by separation of duties and least privilege access. And value, right? Value addition. That is the biggest question, especially from a bank. And we need to convince ourselves and our own internal stakeholders. So first one was the integration of static scan in the lower, like early phase. So that gives a less defects and more stability in the deployment period and the application. And second one is the faster turnover from dev to all the way to prod. Now it is really fast than the old one. Actually, I'm obsessed of seeing cheetah running. Maybe I cannot run fast. So, and next one is the culture. Everyone we know, the key part of DevOps is establishing a positive culture. Our core team, Center of Excellence, did an incredible job for establishing that. We have many meetups and lunch and learn. So through that, we really did a great job. Now, what next? What future? We are not stopping here, of course not. So our next is, many of you know that we have a strategic partnership with Microsoft Azure. We are working to go to the public cloud, but yeah, you hear it gradually. And one of our application already went to prod, low-risk application, and one already went to seed in the POC phase. We are working on DevSecOps. Also, we have successfully integrated continuous monitoring, continuous testing along with the pipeline, but it is in the pilot phase, so we would like to take it further. Now, challenges, right? So what is the challenges of my role or our team? Because we are the customer facing the channel. So we have like policy of minimum to zero interference or interruption for business or customer. We have different business values, especially for the short term. So standing over there, establishing the digital transformation was really challenging act of balance. Now DevOps has, I believe, a human side. Now the deployment production is no more nightmare. We can go in the daytime. So it has a great human side. Now, as today I do share my journey a lot as a woman in technology for DevOps and whole digital transformation. I do mentor in STEM for youth. I'm just trying to collaborate with two future. I would like to give a big thanks to DevOps Toronto to giving me this opportunity to platform to share my journey. And of course, my bank, yes, I mean it, my bank TD, to not only support me, to support whole DevOps fraternity. And please come visit our TD booth if you didn't do it. And thank you. Have a rest of the good day.